Hey guys, good morning. I'm Ravi Raj and welcome to our channel yogasayss. So this channel is basically dedicated to bring the classical knowledge of yoga to everyone so they can be benefited by the benefits of yoga. So on this Sunday morning, I'm sitting here on the top of the hill. It's a beautiful morning and today we are doing a very simple yoga practices which you can do at your home. You can fix these practices anywhere in your routine. There's no need to be an empty stomach or anything like that. So basically this class is dedicated to joint strengthening and the spinal strengthening, which is very necessary in yoga practice. So let's start with the class. So we'll start the class with the micro exercises, which is called a Sukshma Vyayam in yoga. So first practice is neck practice. So we will start with the neck practice. Just slowly turn your neck sideways with exhalation. It has to be one single exhalation and slow. Feel the stretch in your neck. Hold for 2-3 seconds. Then slowly with inhalation, come back. Other side. Again with the exhalation. Turn your neck to the left side. Feel the stretch in your neck. Hold for 2-3 seconds. And with single one inhalation, come back. Repeat the practice one more time. Again with exhalation. Turn. Feel the stretch in your neck. Then with inhalation, come back. Other side. Exhale slowly. Feel the stretch and come back. So this is first neck exercise. Then we'll move on to the second one. Then slowly tilt your neck towards right. Feel the stretch in your neck. With inhalation, come back. Then other side, slowly exhale, tilt your neck. Feel the stretch and come back with inhalation. Repeat the practice one more time. Slowly exhale, down. With inhalation, come back. Slowly exhale and down. With inhalation, come back. Now the third neck exercise. With inhalation, slowly look up. Feel the stretch in the front side of the neck. And then slowly exhale and down. Feel the stretch in the back side of your neck. Then come back. With inhalation, again go back. Hold for 2-3 seconds. And then slowly exhale and down. Now come back to the neutral position. Now fourth neck exercise is neck rotations. Now with inhalation, start the rotation. Go back, exhale, down. Opposite direction. With inhalation, go back, exhalation, down. One more round. With inhalation, go back, exhalation, down. With inhalation, go back, exhalation, down. come back. Now we are done with the neck exercises. Now we are moving to the next exercise is shoulder exercises. Now keep your both the fingers on your shoulders and with exhalation close your arms, touch the elbows and with inhalation go back. Repeat for 5 times. Exhale. Touch your elbows with inhalation. Go back. Try to go as back as possible for you. Feel the stretch in your back and little strain in your shoulders. Keep on doing it. One more time. Last. Now, opposite direction, same. With inhalation, go back, stretch back as much as possible for you. With exhalation, close your elbows. Repeat for 5 times. Feel little strain in your shoulders and stretch on the upper side of your back. Last round. Okay, relax. Now we are done with the shoulder exercises. Now we are moving to the next exercise. This is waist exercise. Now keep your one hand on shoulder and one hand on lower back and slowly exhale and twist one side. Feel the little twist in your waist and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With inhalation, come back and change the hand position again. Slowly exhale, twist completely and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With inhalation, come back. So when you're holding the posture, do not hold your breath. You have to keep on doing the normal breathing. Just remember you have to breathe little deeper than normal. So when you are twisting, you have to do the normal breathing, normal inhalation, exhalation. We'll repeat this one more time. Again, keep your one hand on the shoulder, one hand on the lower back. Slowly exhale and twist. Keep on breathing, breathing little deeper than normal. Feel the twist in your spine and little strain in your lower back. And with inhalation, come back. Change the hand position again. Keep your one hand on shoulder, one hand on lower back. Slowly exhale and twist. Hold for 5 seconds. Little strain in your lower back and twist in your spine. Keep breathing and then come back. Relax. Now little deeper. Deep breathing, deep inhalation and slow exhalation. One more round. Deep inhalation and slow exhalation. Now we are done with the waist exercises. Now we'll move on the next one, the knee exercises. So in this you have to just turn your body and sit in this position. Take a comfortable position. Now hold your thigh from the downside and you have to bend your knee like this with exhalation. Then stretch your knee like this with exhalation. So when you're doing this, you have to make sure you are pulling your toes towards you. So let's do it for 5 times. With inhalation, stretch your knee and make it straight. Pull your toes towards you. With exhalation, close. Inhalation, stretch. We'll repeat 2 more times. And the last one. We'll repeat the same exercise with other leg. Hold again the thigh from the downside. With exhalation, bend your knee. Inhalation, stretch. Feel the stretch in your calf muscles and pull your toes towards you. 4 more times. Last. Now the next exercise is ankle. So in ankle, you have to point your toes outward and feel the stretch in the front side and little strain in the ankle joint. Then you have to pull your toes towards you. Now stretch is on your calf muscles and little strain on your ankle joint. You have to keep on doing it with exhalation. Stretch your toes outwards. Inhalation. Pull your toes towards you. Exhale. Inhale. Repeat for 5 times more. 4, 2, 1. Relax. Now toes. The next exercise you have to just clench your toes downward, then stretch back. 10 times repeat it. There is no breathing compulsion. You have to just breathe normally and feel the strain in your toes. Repeat 3 times more. Breathing is normal in this. Relax. Now come back to your previous position, the cross-legged. Take a comfortable position. And now we'll do the wrist exercises. So just stretch your arms in front of you. Turn your palm into fist and start rotation 5 times in one direction and 5 times in opposite direction. In this, there is no compulsion of any kind of breathing. You have to just breathe normally. Then stretch your arms sideways. Same thing, repeat rotations 5 times in one direction. And make sure you are doing it with full focus and feeling the little strain in your both the wrists. Third one, stretch your arm upward and same repeat 5 times in one direction. So the last one is you have to stretch your arm upward and repeat the same movement, rotation in one direction and then in the opposite direction. 5 times. Breathing is normal in this. Relax. Now I'll teach you only one simple asana today. So that is basically is strengthening for your spine. In yoga, your spine is very, very important. For every yogi, he needs to learn to sit erect in the at least for 15 minutes initially. I know many of you have the problem of sitting in erect position. Your lower back will start hurting. So I am teaching you this one Parvat Asana, which will increase the strength of your spine. So just stretch your arm upward and keep on pulling your spine upward. Breathing is normal, little deeper than normal. Hold for 5 to 7 counts. Then slowly exhale and down. Again with inhalation. Hands in Pinnock Mudra. Pinnock Mudra is basically your index finger is pointing out and your thumbs are resting on the base of your index finger and all 3 fingers intertwined together. Again with inhalation, stretch upward and keep on pulling your spine in the upward direction. Hold for 5 to 7 counts, breathing normal. Then slowly exhale and down. Now the twisting in the mountain position. Take the Pinnock Mudra, then slowly exhale and twist one side. Hold for 5 to 7 counts. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist. Breathing normal. Inhale, come back and relax. We'll repeat it one more time. Inhale, slowly twist one side. Breathing normal, hold for 5 to 7 counts. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist. Hold for 5 to 7 counts. Breathing normal. Then come back and relax. So we are done with the two variations. Now we are moving on the third variation of Parvatasana. Very good for spine strengthening. Again, stretch your arm upward. Inhale and then slowly bend one side. Feel the bend in your spine. Go as down as much as possible for you without raising your hip. With inhalation, again come back. Exhale, down. Stretch as much as possible. Feel the bend in your spine. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. With inhalation, come back and then down. Take one deep breath. Exhale. We'll repeat the bending one. One more time. Stretch your spine upward with inhalation. Feel the pull in your spine. Then slowly exhale and bend one side. Feel the bend in your spine. Hold for 5 to 7 counts. Keep on breathing little deeper than normal. Then inhale, come back, bend other side. Slowly bend one side. Feel the bend in your spine. Keep on breathing little deeper than normal. Hold for 5 to 7 counts. Then inhale, come back and relax. Take one more deep breath. Exhale. One more time, the fourth variation. Then stretch your arm upward. And with inhalation, go back as much as possible. Feel the strain in your spine. Keep breathing little deeper than normal. Hold for 5 to 7 counts. Then slowly exhale and bend forward as much as possible without raising your hips and your forehead on the ground. Hold for 5 to 7 counts. With inhalation, come back, relax. Take one more deep breath. Exhale. Repeat the last variation. Again, hands in Pinnock Mudra, stretch upward, and with inhalation, go back as much as possible for you. Keep on breathing little deeper than normal. Then slowly exhale and bend forward. Without raising your hips, stretch your arms forward, forehead on the ground. Keep on breathing. Hold for 5 to 7 counts, then inhale. Come back, exhale, relax. So our first session is over, guys. I hope you liked the session and I believe you will practice at your home for a better life. So I wish you a very healthy life and prosperous life. Keep on doing yoga and subscribe our channel yogasayss for a better living. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next class. Namaskar.